And welcome back to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo here with Mr. Delonte, the proud owner of a
Mercury Grand Marquis, baby.
What year is it?
99.
99 with about
93,000 miles.
93,000 miles.
What year are we in right now?
It's 2023. Yeah. So this thing is, geez, you're ready for historic tags, right? Ah, never mind. So we got them, all right? Not going to show them for privacy reasons, but we already have them. So good job. All right. So if you see the other videos, what we've already done is we've put in the fuel treatment, the PI, the upper cylinder lube. We added the power foam. We just did the engine flush. And now we're going to be draining it out and putting in the liquid gold AMSOIL Signature Series with the AMSOIL synthetic nanofiber oil filter. So let's climb underneath and start pulling off those drain plugs and that old filter and get out all that old gunk that we just cleaned up. You ready?
I'm ready, baby.
All right, so we got it cracked here. Get this old oil out. Already dripping out. So it's super thin. Looks like black water. Here it comes.
Now that's dirty.
So it is nice and dark, it is nice and thin, and that's what the flush has done, is it's broken it down. That's why you don't want to drive on this, because it could potentially damage some things. So it is doing its job. That's exactly what we want. And we'll let this all drain out, and then we'll spin off the filter here. All right, time to take off this old oil filter, and it is nice and hot. Oh, there it goes, just cracked it. All right, getting some of that old beat up oil with the engine flush in there. Let that drain a little bit and then get some of the excess. Then we'll take off our filter. There we go. Let that drip.
Old filter off.
Old filter. What is this thing? You know anything about a, hold on. Eco Guard, as it's burning my fingers? Not too familiar. Don't know much about these guys. Or gals. All right, so oil plug is off. Old filter is off. Now we got to put on our new filter. We're going to be using the AMSOIL EAO11 synthetic nanofiber filter. Good for 25,000 miles or 1 year of protection. And it has incredible efficiency right here. So it's 99% efficient at 20 microns, all right? So it's gonna catch and hold more contaminant and smaller contaminant versus a lot of our competitors out there who are catching only the bigger stuff, and then the little stuff is just going right through and it's causing all that wear. So we got our filter out here. This is what it looks like. Has a nice grip on it, okay? So that you can get a little bit better grip when you get it oiled up. But Delonte, hold that for me. So what I like to do is just charge it up just slightly and then wet that gasket. Yep. So in here and wet that gasket to get a nice better tight seal. All right. And then I'll put just a little filter because this guy's on its side. Got my filter wet. Thank you, Delonte. All right. And then I'll get underneath here and spin her on. All right, so I just cleaned it up. Just get yourself a paper towel and wipe up around, get that old oil out of there. And let's get our filter in here. Now with these filters, you just want to get it nice and hand tight. Don't crush it down there because you're not going to be able to get it off and it can damage that gasket. So just once it's snug, just a little bit more and you are good to go. And then we move over here to our drain plug. All right, so our drain plug, it is down to a very, very, very slow drip. So we'll clean that up. And then we've got ourselves a new oil drain plug gasket. All right, so I'm gonna put get a little oil on that as well. And then let's spin this new guy on. Right here. Nice and snug. Do not over tighten these. All right. Give everything a good wipe. We got some old grease here. All right, so got the oil that came down and dripped off of the oil filter. So to clean it up, get as much as you can with a paper towel, or you can also hit it with the AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner. Just quickly dissolve any of that oil, that gum, that grime, anything on there, just to clean it up, get it nice and fresh so we're not dripping on the driveway. So I'm gonna climb under here and hit this here. Right here, bam. Okay. Good. There, and then just wipe everything down a little bit if you want. If not, it'll dry very quickly. So we're dumping in the AMSOIL 100% synthetic, a true 100% synthetic Signature Series 5W20. The premier protection if you want maximum fuel economy, better wear protection, engine temperatures to drop, to go a long time, to help the environment out, not have us change oil as often, less oil waste. This is it right here.
Liquid gold,
Liquid
baby.
gold, all right? So this oil is guaranteed 25,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first, for normal service. Or here on the back, now my hands are all a little greasy, but here on the back here, severe service. This is your police cars, your taxi cabs, commercial fleet vehicles, still a 15,000 mile, 1 year, or 700 engine hours, whichever comes first. You hear that? I hear it every time. Ah. Oh my gosh, the Grand Marquis is saying thank you. There, let's get the cap put on. And what do you say, Delante? We
Fire up.
You want to go for a drive?
Absolutely.
Go for a drive, see how it feels.
Absolutely.
All right, Delante, the moment of truth. You ready to fire it up? Liquid gold.
Tweety, baby, let's go.
Let's do it. All right.
No shaking.
That's right. You said it had that shake.
Yeah, no shaking.
All right.
Remember that little shake? No shake at all.
No shake. All right. Listen to her purr. She's quiet. She's smooth. Let's go for a drive and see how it feels. Liquid gold is in. We just started our test drive. What did you just tell me?
So, I have a V8. So, with me having a V8, I have 16 lifters in my engine. The lifters have a really needle-sized hole in it that it squirts the engine through. I used to hear my lifters because I needed an oil change. Came to my guy, Officer Oil.
Thank you.
Got that oil change, got the fuel treatment and everything else. I can't hear anything. Brand new car, brand new engine.
Smooth. How's that feel? Yeah,
Oh
give it a
my
little
goodness.
gas.
When I gas it, I would really, my lifters would get louder. I didn't hear anything at all.
Okay.
At all. Let me see. No, I don't hear anything.
To get your AMSOIL, so if you're a do-it-yourselfer like us here with grease on your chin and everything, on your mustache here, so super easy. We've got a great program called the AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program. That is a great way to have it drop shipped right to your doorstep. You'll save 25%, get free shipping right all over anything over $100, and a lot of other perks here. You'll see that on the screen as well. Or if you have a fleet, you're looking to save time, save money, improve fuel economy, we've got an even more advantageous program. We can get you a bigger discount. Click on that link below. Or if you have a repair shop or a retail store and you want to offer it to your customers, either over the shelf or doing the installs, another great program as well. So click on those links below. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please share. We want to hear from you. I'm excited to keep adding more fighting friction content because I love that smile right there.
That's cheesing the whole drive, man.
All right, so thank you. Thanks for letting me do this.
Man, thank you.
You're welcome.
You.
And
I really feel like this is a brand new engine under my hood.
Outstanding. Outstanding. I love it. I love it.
Hey,
We'll see you next time.
next time, baby.
We'll see you next time. Officer Oil, I am out. Thank you.